Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a video on my watch collection, one I've started since I went on my break from YouTube. We'll start with this fossil women's watch, I guess. This is actually a sentimental watch that was my dad's. It works. I just have it unplugged there so it battery doesn't run down. Here we've got a vintage, I guess, Bulova watch. It's a very tiny face. Here we have a Pulsar Watch. This again looks like a vintage one. Well, if you didn't see the code on this one. I'm trying to get it to go without flipping. Here we've got a Timex Indigo watch. Here we've got a Casio. Here we have a Gucci watch. I'm not sure if it's real Gucci or not. I got it for kind of cheap, so it could be very possible that it's not real, but it's still cool. This is a train pocket watch. Embassy. Another pocket watch. This is an antique pocket watch. It was actually in my family from the early 2000s, but not early 2000s, early 1900s, but I dropped it and broke it, so it's missing its handles and the crystal that covers the top. We've got a Geneva women's watch that opens. This is a Timex Expedition watch. I honestly don't know if this one works because it's kind of pitted on the back. But this is another one of my father's watches. Might try to get it working sometime. Here's another one of them. This one just has a random band thrown on it. This is a actual gold-plated watch. It's antique. This one's Nassau. 10K RGP. I don't know what R is, but its GP is gold-plated. Bezel. And then finally we have this Timex watch, which is vintage looking. And plus, I didn't show you guys, but I do have two more watches. This is my daily watch that I wear. It's a Fitbit. And in here I've got I think it's in here. Hold on. No, it's not. Here it is. It's a Motorola Watch. It's probably dead, but here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.